new NotebookLM update is insane. What if you could turn any boring document into a viral anime video in literally minutes? No editing skills needed. This new NotebookLM update just changed everything. I'm about to show you how to do it and how to profit from it. Let's go. So here's what just happened. Google dropped a massive update to NotebookLM, and everyone's missing the real opportunity here. They added anime style video generation. And I'm not talking about some basic filter. I'm talking about turning your white papers, your reports, your boring PDFs into full anime style videos with voiceovers and animations. This is wild because most people are still manually editing videos. They're spending hours in Premiere Pro, hours in Final Cut, and now you can literally upload a document and get back an anime video, fully narrated, fully animated. And the best part, this isn't just for fun. There's real business applications. I'll show you exactly how to use it. Then I'll show you how to turn this into a service you can sell, because that's where the real opportunity is. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. Let me start from the beginning. NotebookLM is Google's AI assistant for your documents. You upload files, PDFs, slides, Word documents, whatever, and it helps you understand them, summarize them, pull out the important stuff. But the game changer is video overviews. This feature takes your documents and turns them into actual videos with narration, with visuals, with animations, all automated. Now they just added different visual styles. One of them is anime. That's what we're focusing on today because this is brand new. This just dropped October 13th, and nobody's talking about the real applications yet. The system uses something called Nano Banana. That's Google's image generation model. It's what creates all the visuals, all the animations, all the style elements, and it's actually good. Here's why this matters. Video content gets more engagement than text. That's not an opinion, that's data. And anime style content, that's trending hard right now. High engagement, high watch time, high click-through rates. So you combine those two things and you've got a weapon. Let me break down what's actually new here. NotebookLM always had video generation, but now they added visual style options. One of them is anime, another is kawaii, that's the cute Japanese aesthetic. When you generate a video now, you can click customize, there's a little pencil icon, and you pick your style. Anime is right there in the options. What this does is change the entire visual feel of your video. Instead of generic stock images or basic graphics, you get anime style characters, anime style backgrounds, anime style transitions, the whole aesthetic. And this isn't just for anime fans, this is for anyone who wants their content to stand out. Because think about it, if you're scrolling YouTube or LinkedIn or Twitter and you see a standard corporate video, you scroll past it. But if you see an anime style explainer video, you stop, you watch. That's the hook. The technology behind this is Nano Banana. Google's been working on this for a while. It's their image generation model specifically for this kind of content creation. And it's fast. We're talking minutes, not hours. Here's what makes this different from other AI video tools. It's not just slapping images together, it's actually understanding your document structure, your headings, your key points, and then it's creating visuals that match the content. That's the intelligent part. Real quick before I show you exactly how to use this, if you want to scale your business with AI, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you how to get more customers and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We've got case studies, we've got workflows, we've got everything you need to actually implement this stuff in your business. Links in the description. Let's get back to it. Okay, here's the step-by-step. This is stupid, simple, but most people will still mess it up. So pay attention. First, go to NotebookLM. You need a Google account. That's it. Upload your document. This could be a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation, a Word document, whatever you've got. The cleaner, the better. Make sure it has good structure, good headings, clear sections, because the AI reads that structure. Once it's uploaded, you'll see an option for video overview. Click that. Now, here's where it gets good. You'll see a customize button, little pencil icon. Click it, you'll see style options. Pick anime or kawaii if you want the super cute aesthetic. You can also choose if you want a brief overview or a full explainer. Brief is like 30 seconds to a minute. Explainer can go longer. Depends on your document and what you need. Hit generate. Now you wait. Usually takes a few minutes, not long. When it's done, you've got a full video, voiceover included, animations included, anime style visuals included, everything. Now here's what most people don't do. They just take that video and use it as is. That's a mistake. You need to polish it. Download the video, Bring it into your editing software. I don't care if it's CapCut, Premiere, whatever. Add your branding, add your intro, add your outro. Maybe adjust the voiceover speed if it's too slow or too fast. That's when you've got something you can actually publish or sell. That's the key. Let me show you where the money is, because this isn't just a fun tool. This is a business opportunity. First use case, education. You're a student. You've got lecture notes. You've got study guides. Turn them into anime videos. Now, studying is actually engaging. You'll retain more. You'll share it with classmates. Everyone benefits. Second use case, marketing. You run a business. You've got white papers. You've got reports. You've got case studies, all boring, all text heavy. Turn them into anime explainer videos. Now you can post them on social media. Now people actually watch them. Now you get engagement. Third use case, YouTube content creators. This is huge. You can take any topic, research it, write up the key points, turn it into an anime video, post it. That's content. You just need to add your commentary or use it as B-roll. Fourth use case. And this is where it gets interesting. You sell this as a service. Think about it. How many businesses have boring documents? How many have white papers nobody reads? How many have training materials that employees ignore? You offer them a service. You take their document, you turn it into an anime style video. You charge $500, $1,000, whatever the market will bear. They get engaging content. You get paid. This is what I do with my agency. We look for these opportunities. We find tools that solve real problems. Then we package them as services. And here's the best part. This takes you almost no time. Upload document, pick style, generate, do some light editing. Done? Okay, let me give you the secrets. The stuff that makes this actually work well. First, clean up your source document. The AI reads structure. So if your document is a mess, your video will be a mess. Use clear headings, use bullet points, make it easy for the AI to understand. Second, match the style to your content. Anime works great for fun topics, educational content, marketing stuff. But if you're doing a legal document or a super serious corporate report, maybe anime isn't the move. You can still use NotebookLM, but pick a different style. Third, edit the output. I can't stress this enough. The AI does 90% of the work, but you need to do that last 10%. Add your branding, adjust the pacing, make it yours. Fourth, think about your audience. If you're making content for kids or young adults, anime style is perfect. If you're targeting executives, maybe tone it down. Know who you're talking to. Fifth, use this for content repurposing. You've got a blog post, turn it into a document, run it through NotebookLM. Now you've got video content. That's one piece of content becoming two. That's efficiency. Sixth, if you're selling this as a service, package it right. Don't just deliver the raw video from NotebookLM. Deliver a polished version with branding, deliver social media clips, deliver different aspect ratios for different platforms. That's how you charge premium prices. Now, let me tell you the warnings, the things that can go wrong. The rollout might still be gradual. Not everyone has access to all the styles yet. If you don't see anime as an option, wait a few days and check again. The style might not always be perfect. Sometimes the AI generates visuals that don't quite match. That's why you need to review everything before you publish. If your document is too complex or too long, the video might miss key points. So test it, see what works. Adjust your source document if needed. And finally, don't rely on this 100%. It's a tool, a powerful tool, but you still need to understand video content. You still need to understand your audience. You still need to add your own value. Let me talk money for a second, because this is where it gets real. Most businesses have documents, training manuals, product guides, marketing materials, and nobody reads them. They're boring, they're text heavy, they sit on a shelf or in a folder somewhere. You come in with this solution, you turn those documents into anime style videos. Now they're engaging. Now people actually watch them. Now they serve their purpose. And once you've done a few of these, you get fast, really fast. Think about the markets you could serve. Educational institutions, they have tons of lecture notes and study materials, corporate training departments. They have employee onboarding documents and training manuals, marketing agencies. They have client reports and case studies. Every one of those is a potential customer. Every one of those has documents that could be videos. This is exactly what I teach in the AI Profit Boardroom, how to find these opportunities, how to package them, how to sell them, how to scale them. Let me give you some advanced plays, stuff most people won't think of. First, batch processing. Don't do one video at a time. Line up 10 documents, process them all. That's how you scale. Second, white labeling. You can offer this service to other agencies. They sell it to their clients. You do the work, they take a cut, you take a cut, everyone wins. Third, upsells. Someone buys one video, you offer them a package, you offer them ongoing services, you offer them additional editing, you offer them distribution services, stack the revenue. Fourth, platform specific optimization. Take that one video, create a YouTube version, a LinkedIn version, an Instagram version, a TikTok version, same content, different formats, more value, higher price. Fifth, industry specialization. Pick one industry, get really good at their document types, their terminology, their style preferences, become the go-to person for anime style videos in that industry. That's how you charge premium prices. All right, let me tell you where to go from here, because watching this video is one thing, actually implementing it is another. If you want to make more money with AI, you need to join the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. You'll get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies, everything you need to actually make money with this stuff. Links in the description. Is completely free. No reason not to join. Look, here's the bottom line. This anime style update in NotebookLM is massive, but only if you actually use it, only if you see the opportunity. Most people will watch this video. They'll think it's cool, and they'll do nothing. Don't be most people. Go try this today. Upload a document. Generate an anime video, see what it looks like. Then think about how you could use this for your content, for your business, for your clients. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment below what document you're going to turn into an anime video. I want to know what you're working on. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so tell us what you think. Tell us what you want to see next.